$10,000. That's what one faceless TikTok account pulled in. No camera, no face, no personality on screen. Just a phone, a strategy, and about 20 minutes a day. If you think you need to be an influencer to make real money on TikTok, this video is going to change your mind completely.
$10,000. That's what one faceless TikTok account pulled in.
Wrong about TikTok. They think the money comes from going viral. It doesn't.
If you think you need to be an influencer to make real money on TikTok, this video is going to change your mind completely. It comes from understanding the actual systems TikTok has built to pay creators, such as the Creator Rewards Program and Direct Boost, and stacking more than one of them at the same time. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how a faceless account can realistically build toward 5 figures. The real programs involved, the real numbers behind them, and the realistic timeline it actually takes. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just the mechanics, explained simply so you can decide if this is worth your time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have an actual roadmap, not just motivation.
Let's start with the foundation almost every faceless creator builds on first: the TikTok Creator Rewards Program. This replaced the old Creator Fund, and it works differently. Instead of just paying you a fraction of a cent per view, it rewards authentic engagement, meaning real watch time, real comments, real shares, not just raw numbers. As of 2025, to even qualify, you need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and rack up at least 100,000 authentic video views in the past 30 days. Once you're in, top creators posting consistent, value-driven content are seeing anywhere from about $600 to $3,000 a month, depending on their niche and region. That's a wide range, and where you land on it depends almost entirely on consistency and how well your content holds attention, not luck. The application happens right inside your TikTok account through the Creator Rewards portal, and payments get sent straight to a linked Stripe or PayPal account. So this is step 1. Hit the thresholds, apply, and let this run in the background while you build the next income layer. This is where a lot of faceless accounts quietly start pulling in serious income. TikTok Shop. Here's how it works. You tag products directly in your videos, your bio, or your live streams, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No need to show your face. You can feature the product itself, a demo, or even stock footage. You join through the TikTok Shop Seller Center or by applying to the affiliate program in your region. Commission rates usually land somewhere between 5 and 20%, depending on the seller's agreement, and creators who build a track record often negotiate higher rates or exclusive discount codes directly with brands. Now, here's the part people mess up. The biggest mistake is promoting random products that have nothing to do with your niche just to chase a quick payout. It doesn't convert, and it actually hurts your account long-term because the algorithm and your audience both notice inconsistency. The creators making real money here are the ones who only promote things that genuinely fit what their channel is about, woven naturally into content people already want to watch. One more thing that matters a lot: disclosure. The FTC requires you to clearly label sponsored or affiliate content. It's not optional, and skipping it isn't worth the risk to your channel. Brand sponsorships are, for most creators, the single highest earning opportunity on the platform. And yes, faceless accounts absolutely get sponsored too, especially in business, finance, and educational niches where the content itself carries the value, not a personality. Here's the general range. Creators with 50,000 to 200,000 followers often charge somewhere between $250 and $2,000 per sponsored video. Go past 1 million followers, and some creators are commanding 5-figure deals for a single video. These deals usually get set up either through direct outreach, through agencies like Aspire.io or Collabster, or through TikTok's own creator marketplace once you're eligible. If there's one piece of advice to take from this section, it's this: always get a written contract. Spell out deadlines, usage rights, and payment terms before you start filming. A really common rookie mistake is handing over unlimited usage rights to a brand for free, meaning they can reuse your content forever, across any platform, without paying you again. Protect your work like the asset it actually is. TikTok Live is one of the most underrated income streams for creators who are comfortable going live, even without showing their full face. Some creators stream with just their hands, a screen share, or a voice-only setup layered over visuals. During a live session, viewers can send virtual gifts purchased with TikTok coins. Those gifts convert into real money that shows up in your account balance, which you can then cash out. To unlock this, you need at least 1,000 followers and to be 18 or older. And the sessions that tend to earn the most aren't just casual chats. They combine entertainment with something educational. Think live Q&As about starting a side hustle, breaking down a trending business topic in real time, or teaching a quick skill. That mix keeps people watching longer, which means more gifting, and it also builds the kind of loyal audience that becomes valuable for every other income stream we've already covered. Now, here's the honest truth. None of these 4 income streams alone gets you to $10,000. It's stacking all of them together consistently over months that gets you there. And that's exactly what we break down step by step on this channel. The real mechanics behind creator income without the hype. If that's useful to you, hit subscribe now so you don't miss the next breakdown, because we post new strategies like this regularly. Let's talk about the layer that actually makes $10,000 a repeatable number instead of a one-time spike. Your own digital products. Once you've built an audience through the methods above, the smartest faceless creators start selling something they fully own. An ebook, a template, a mini course, a spreadsheet. Tools now make this genuinely fast to produce, so it's not the massive project it used to be. Here's why this layer matters so much. Affiliate commissions and sponsorships depend on other companies. Your own product doesn't. You keep the entire margin, and you're not vulnerable if a brand cancels a deal or a platform changes its commission structure. A realistic path looks like this. Organic growth first to build a real audience. Then layering in the rewards program in TikTok Shop once you qualify. Then locking in your first small sponsorship. Then, once you have some momentum and some cash flow, reinvesting into better production and finally launching your own product. That's the multi-channel model that protects you from any single platform or policy shift wiping out your income overnight. To be clear, a number like $10,000 isn't a guarantee, and it isn't overnight. It's the result of stacking these income streams: creator rewards, affiliate marketing through TikTok Shop, brand sponsorships, live gifting, and eventually your own product, consistently over real months of effort. None of this is financial advice. It's simply how the systems work, based on publicly available information. What you do with it is up to you. If this breakdown gave you a clearer picture of how faceless creator income actually works, subscribe to Grow Smarter Media so you catch the next one. Because next time, we're going deeper into one of these income streams and showing you exactly how to set it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.